You guys would not believe the day I'm having, but I just got my favorite notification in the world that my packages from Request are ready for pickup, so I'm gonna go collect them. I have quite a few. That's why I'm so excited, and some of them are stuff for me for my birthday, and then others are like gifts and such. So I'm excited to go and see what they have for me. I don't know if I should give you guys a haul, because the last time someone in my bloodline did a haul, it did not end well. Out of the packages, I have a Christmas gift here, so I'm gonna put this under the tree. Yeah, this is the only one that's going under there from me. Yeah. It is evening and I'm about to go to the Genxs showroom. If you never know, so Genxs launch then come out from the rock where I hide under. Genxs launch last week or week before last, and now the showroom is open. I'm gonna go. I'm so excited to see the costume that I want on the mannequin and see if it actually look like how I think it look, because you know sometimes you see them on the picture and then you go in person, it's like, I don't think it will work on my body or whatever. So we're gonna go do that and get some content, and yeah, it's really cool. OOTD, me and a cargo pants go together real bad, so let's head out. Me and mommy are par for the night, so yeah, might get a ham-tastic on the way back, who knows. What should I look for? Hey, the week lay down for mommy, I don't put on for your same way now. The camera got in and out of focus, I don't know why.
When you down, when you on, bitch, when you down, when you on, when you down, when you on, when you down, when you on. Okay, big LEO, these niggas know I'm on they road. Big bitch, I'm O2 road. Bitch, that mean I'm on the road. Good brain.
And those are the costumes for 2026. I just did a talking shot in there. I was the only person in there, and the clip recorded in slow-mo, so that's not fun. I'm not going back in there to refilm it. I feel like there was another way I wanted to end it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and end it that way instead. So yeah, my lights are almost mashed up. It dropped and the right here, so it dropped off, but it survived. It's a strong girl. I'm gonna go home. I have a lot of stuff to do, so I'm just get started on that. Hi guys, so I don't know how the beginning of this vlog has been going so far, but I have a feeling that it is very chaotic, because this week has been a roller coaster of emotions for me. Like, one wouldn't even understand unless I explicitly tell you guys what's been going on, but I'm not gonna. But I feel every emotion in the book this week. The heights are the heights and the low are the lows, but right now I'm back up in the, you know, the positive. So we move on. So I think the beginning clips kind of encapsulate that chaos that my life was this week. Right now I'm going back to Request. I've been to Request, I think this is my third time going to Request this week. I ordered all my stuff at once, and then I have some birthday stuff coming in, so it was a lot. So I'm going to collect the last of them. One of them though, I'm not gonna get it today. I get it like 2 weeks time, because it went into unknown. So that's the only reason, because if you know Request, you know. So yeah, fast, reliable, you don't have to worry about delay. So I'm gonna go on the road now to do that. I did go on the road yesterday and the traffic was insane, so I'm gonna take you guys with me to collect some more packages. Yeah, and they have again, the last person in my bloodline for the one haul, and they do a curry goat and yammer, so I don't know. I got the packages now. I am going to Fontana. It's all good inside. Mommy say hi. Because unfortunately I am working right up until Christmas and I feel like I won't have time outside of grocery shopping to go and get none else I want. So me I go Fontana, go get the stuff that I want. And if we're parking in front of what time now? 2:21. Me for each one by 4 o'clock. Yeah, leave about that time. 4:30. Alright, I go see if it's possible. I said, guys, me have to defend one parking. But essentially, no, I didn't steal it because I saw it first and I was moving towards it, and then the person come up and then try to go on, go. Somebody did that to me one time, and literally, if you did cut me, I say fire. I breathe through me. So I know it's hot, but me get one pocket. Me that wait for one girl for come out and she see me and wait for her for come out and she'll come out and me indicate to me I wait and she just sit down and look. And when I pass her then she come out. Come out. Come here when I say me have time. All the time in the world. Yeah. In here not terrible but it's still tight. Well it I get terrible now. Yeah, mommy cute to see in her. Yeah. May I come go find my little tunica, my little yeah. So, you know the Christmas maintenance loading, but me, now I got no nail tech. So I'm trying to find something that's cute. I thought they would have stuff like Christmas stuff, but they're not none. So. This shape body, I got my eyes with them something and then the shape not so 100 pound them. See that one here, this cute. Yeah, I love that. This is nice. Ooh, I have this one too. This look like better quality. Okay, reflect. Oh, yeah. I wonder how much for this. We'll see how much millions for. $6.99. What was the price there? I think maybe I'll go with that one here. But I didn't want nude. No, maybe I'll go with that one here. Should I? Which one I think? Like this. The two of them say medium and me small.
One of that. Oh, medium.
Or it mean medium in length. I want length. I can't.
This look bigger than your finger, but this look at more. Go.
This one.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go with the one I'm saying
initially. Yeah. Yeah, I choose.
Pick till me pick first. So this is the winner. I'm gonna cash this out. You did one at Nini?
Well,
you come back with it.
Yeah, because guess what now? I know if I look like I don't, I forgot you not go back.
Oh, I bring you down there.
Yeah, then look here. Speed of the door.
But she forgot to go back down as an. Me not go back down this up.
But yeah, I saw she see a man. I got this one.
Like she not see the, like she not see outer road. Like me and her now living on the, because Anna TV just the me and her live at the same place, you know. She not hear me say when my work done. Me not have no free time. All the time me I go get apple for the bottom. This have a tree. You done? You find it decide?
Let me know about this. This me buy.
She decide. She can buy that.
Me this one red one. Me the one with color. Red and red.
Like that red day.
Yeah, like the red also.
Okay. Okay. Christmas cake on the way. The lady is something, right? She want for Christmas. Remember say Christmas gift done there and that tree, you know. I guess somebody can buy it just $1,200. Sorry. It's not $1,200, miss, it's $12,000. I am looking for like a organizer. Like one of them basket organizer something there. I want one for my, this will work. What, they must sell it by the pack, I don't want the pack. You know, I get something for sample ice cream, my candy cruise. I don't want to take it on here so I have to pay for. I let mommy go first. You test it out first and see. They caught us, y'all. I couldn't carry the baby into an ice cream store and don't get the baby anything. Really and truly, I just me. They never have one more one, that's why I'm never get one for myself too. But big up Candy Cruise with them foreign self. Line out the front, long like embassy. So I'm just come in my pharmacy. Always empty. Come cooking with Lucia. Me I beg you a taste of your ice.
Sure. Take half of it.
Half of it?
Klein,
You know,
klein.
I'm not eating that for morning. I'm not appetite.
Like seriously?
You know, say that I don't like with myself. Yeah, say anytime look how stress take me, my appetite go away and it don't come back until me find it back one long time. All I wait to everybody else say me again what they eat gone. My bottom gone. Everything just normal out back.
Hey, once you take away now, we don't take long for take out the wait, you know. 5 minutes and the wait does. Oh, gone. Like come on, the wait for come off of my belly. And that's what it gets.
This sweet man.
Flat. Yeah, but it have a cake taste, no? Say no one more.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
3:24, I forgot me had no get ready. Man, see that carrot one with me? May I go up in now?
Wow.
Lauren's Tavern.
Wow.
You like it?
That's what the man say. Wow. When him daughter put the food and them eat them. Wow, flapper.
You ever like your picnic something then? Well, you got some pants and fashion over Black Friday sale, just 3. I got the 3 of them, as in 1, 2, 3 for a total of $15. One on a normal day is like $30. The Black Friday was Black Friday and I couldn't pass it, so I'm wearing my black shirt today, so I think I would go like green. I'm gonna try it on and see if it's 3/4, because one thing about me, a pants good for 3/4 for me. I'm gonna see if it's all for real. Like I'm just 5'6", why is everything so short? But I did order them in tall, so let's see if it fit. These are tall for real. Like this would have been perfect with some heels, but a sneakers I want to wear. When I don't mind the mess, I'm literally gonna clean it up in 2 seconds. I just try hurry up. Should I get them altered? I don't know, because this would be perfect with heels. But like if they're right here, so like that would be good too. Struggles I really wanted to. Mommy, look on pants here. I know what's supposed to be in one of the, oh guys, I got a new camera. I got a camera for my birthday. So Real House is going to be fully operational in about like the next few days. These are some ND filters that I bought for the camera, and then this should be the case. I'm not rushing. This should be the case. Yes, my Tiffany blue camera case. But this larger than life though. This is supposed to go on your neck. It's large, man. It's big. Anyways, yeah. So I'm using the camera tonight for work. So I'm gonna put it on the mirror, and then I need to gather up all my stuff, my mic and stuff, and my tripod, put it in the bag, make sure I have everything. Kinda wanna test this out, see how it looks. Ooh, my ND filters. Also guys, I just got a letter. I wonder who it's from. It's from a Quest store. I don't know if you guys saw on my Instagram, but they have a service. If you're tired of Shein splitting up your order into several packages and hiking up your bill at a shipping company, then this video is for you. Introducing Request Store. The same items you love without the additional shipping clearance expense. So if you're tired of Shein splitting up your package and you don't want to pay any shipping fee, you can actually get stuff from them here that are sold on Shein at a much cheaper cost. So they gave me some bags. This is super cute. It's it's giving inspired, but it's so cute. I couldn't pass it. Have a strap. Cute, see, you know, girl, hold it on there and write a story. Hold it on there. That's one. I got this green one as well. Can be worn on the side. It has a long strap. And then I got this white one. I'm a sucker for small bags, guys. Like I love a small bag. And this one has a strap as well. This is very cute. It's very dainty. See myself wearing this in the very near future. So if you guys, they have clothes, they have glasses, they have bag, they have everything you can think of, go ahead and follow Request Store on Instagram and get your stuff without having to pay this one bag of money in this split up shipping fee. So yeah, me have to go get ready right now for choo. So I never even get to show the camera. I'm gonna hurry up and show now. I decided against the pants because really and truly my drive is on the way and I couldn't find the belt. I'ma just feel like say it has slowed me down too much. But this is how my camera looks with my case and everything. This is supposed to be attached. Oh, wrong way. Supposed to be attached, and I have this little piece to put over it too, but over the right here. But maybe I'm going to the car because the rush, man. I don't like rushing. But yeah. So I'll talk to you guys. I'm not gonna the shot list. I'm not gonna carry you guys with me. So Misuno. Yeah.
All I want for Christmas. So dramatic, you see?
The people must have pissed me off on the road from there. I'm coming here in here full. I'm pass about 2 people that come out. I'm cool to take the parking. I'm coming around and I feel defeated and somebody just come out right in front of me. Say thank God. We're going Christmas grocery shopping. You can see it in our Santa app. Me that look for reindeer ears, but
Must say we have 2 nice reindeer. We can look for it. It
there.
That's why I never bother buy. I'm like the reindeer ear we have.
But I can't carry the camera going there. This so because I can't record.
I just remember said.
So what me I got ask you say is now for guess how much on it. Hello? Hi, right. Guess how much on you think the grocery bill I go come to?
No, nobody talk. I do regular.
What do you think is I come to? Tell me.
Oh, you're going to go buy so?
Regular?
Oh.
But me just say no, but really and truly, you know. Alright. We're back. Now when I say I'm going to the supermarket, I'm going to show them as I say I can't video into the supermarket. Remember last time I went in there, they came and they told me that I can record, okay? Okay. It's time to reveal the total for this grocery shopping. Keep in mind, I don't buy meat yet. Time is that I can probably try and catch a meat shop now. The only meat kind I got was a ham, a very small ham for $6,000. But the total is $74,624. Some people might be like, what? Well, some people might be like, that's not bad because it's for the whole month. So, whole month in majority of the month. Yeah. So that's December 2026 grocery shopping. We're gonna go to Mommy's trying to get me an avocado so I can make my guacamole. I bought this special seasoning thing for the guacamole. So yeah, she's getting that, and I think she's getting breadfruit, maybe some plantains, and then we're gonna go to the meat shop, get oxtail and chicken and any other little thing. Yeah. Mommy.
Yeah.
Sing your favorite Christmas carol.
City sidewalk, busy sidewalk, dressed in holiday style, in the is there the feeling of Christmas. And in every street corner you hear silver bells, silver bells. It's Christmas time in the city. Hear them ring. Soon it will be Christmas Day.
That your favorite Christmas song, though?
Yes.
Like when you hear that, you feel like,
Yes.
Christmas.
And the other one. Do you hear what
Mommy, no man, I be
a
the pressing
joke,
song.
a joke, and that. A jingle bells, jingle all the way.
No man, but that
all the
cliche.
so, no, jingle bell are always the song will come to my mind first. And because I'm at school,
You know which song make me feel like, last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day,
well, it's not that one, is it?
Away.
What the one of Mariah Carey sing?
All I want for Christmas is you.
All I want for Christmas is you.
Girl, bye. You don't love Christmas for real. You, the most commercial Christmas song of all time.
Yeah.
Lame. Mr. Guys, radio lame, see? And a beer foolishness them been on
Them
clear.
obviously not believing that. Them have a different
A party
religion,
alone,
so them
them a
now
focus on.
party are going right now. So other mindset them in a.
Stuck in a one piece of traffic here, so I just, you know, I charge for this trap myself.
Huh?
You know, I'm gonna see.
Why the road them full of paper patrol though? Your patrol, you have to know you're right. See that? One you saw.
Yeah.
Right here, so.
But anyways, we got the meats. The meat them come up to $13,000.
But some people.
Oxtail deal.
Dear.
Oxtail at $1,600 a pound.
Why is it?
But I'm just glad to get everything done with the grocery shopping.
Let's say.
Because the only other day I'm free after today would have been Tuesday. I may not feel like some mental health could have managed the drive and the traffic there and rush. Any other thing I get after this, I must like cake tin or you have a cake something already?
Oh no, I just remember no cake tin.
Cake tin or anything in the last minute. None of the big shopping. So I can at least go in our express line because now I see traffic coming in. Yeah, look there now, mommy.
Okay, that's right.
Crazy.
Right. Yeah, but me the things that the road are gonna be more.
Yeah.
But I can imagine the next couple of few days.
So this is Republic Beach driveway crowd a little bit. So give thanks.
Yeah.
Hallelujah. So I bought a bottle of champagne for Christmas Day. This one it named Julia. And the girl in a Lush and tell me say this nice enough, so if it's not nice, me tell her say me I come back look for her and tell her say it's not nice. And this we get one sample of this and me tell the boy come like say junk me a file like a sample. I feel it in my high immediately. So this is a sorrel ginger wine. Can add it to the sorrel. Mommy I go draw sorrel one of these days. I'm not sure when. But tonight she's gonna soak the fruits for her cake. I don't know why I sound so excited and I don't eat that mess. But
You don't eat that what?
mess. I don't eat fruit cake.
What a disrespect.
I don't eat fruit cake at
Very
all.
disrespectful.
I'm sorry. Let me be respectful to everybody that eats fruit cake. I don't eat fruit cake. I'll leave it at that.
Right.
But yeah. Tree is on, lights by the window on. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Yeah.
Do you hear what I hear?
So the fruits are I go soak now for the cake. Lady Bear and mixer. Cake making now go until when? Tuesday?
Oh, that's fine.
Tuesday. So now for come back in the next vlog for see all that happened. But we're gonna watch Cooking with Lucia soak her fruits for a little while from back here because I don't want to mess it up.
One like the two nice and nice, yeah. And now the oil nice. Yeah. Little minute.
And voila.
Voila! Just like that.
So if you don't want to see the cake making process, by the way, I'm going to walk on through the whole Christmas day for the next vlog. I'm going to make my arm one bag of niceness. So if you don't want to see that, I have to come back next week Monday. Monday say after Christmas, but I have my retainer by the way. If you have, yeah, but yeah, I'm not telling a lie. The Christmas spirit, 100, but yeah. You understand? Yeah. I just want to show Una that the wig I put on for mommy last week Sunday. It's now Sunday again.
Yeah.
It's still turn on and give me a close up. Yeah. That's the PS Lux lace line for you.
Yeah.
If you want your wig sit down upon your head, PS Lux lace line.
Yeah.
And also, I do a very good job, by the way.
Yeah,
Very
very
good
good job. Yeah.
So it's actually Sunday, as you guys heard, and I just took out my clothes. I'm getting picked up in like the next 45 minutes. So I was just here editing the vlog. Well, not fully, but I was just going through all the clips and making the necessary cuts. So I'm just gonna go ahead and end this vlog here, but the next vlog, which is gonna be next week Monday, is gonna be fully Christmas, from my wake up, open my eyes till I go sleep, and everything before that. So you guys can come back for that next week Monday. If you guys enjoyed this vlog, I know it was a little bit all over the place. My mind wasn't really here, to be very honest, which I did explain before. Very up at that middle point when I said, oh my god, back in the positives, my drop right down in the negatives, like immediately after that. Like, it's been a roller coaster, a true roller coaster of emotions for this past week. But I just want to publicly thank God for everything that he's doing privately, because one thing about my God, him don't play about me. He does not play about me, and I just want to publicly give him praise for that, because what a man. But yeah, I'll see you guys next week Monday if you do decide to stop by again for my Christmas vlog. Until then, Merry Christmas when it comes. Drink in moderation. If you're going to party, then please do not drink and drive. Have a designated driver. Enjoy on yourself and one life, but also do it responsibly. Yeah. Merry Christmas when it gets here. I wish I could, include everything, but Merry Christmas, guys, and happy Stranger Things Day. Bye.